What's up, y'all? You already know who it is. You know what it is. It's your boy JP comes out with another how-to. If this is your first time tuning in to the channel, man, make sure you consider subscribing, because this is what we do here: radio removals, car audio tutorials, Q&As, all that good stuff. If you're into that type of thing, make sure you stick around with us. Today we have a 2007 Mercury Montego, and we're actually taking this radio out and putting in another factory radio. But regardless, even though we're not hooking up an aftermarket, I still want to show you how to take this radio out. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is take your panel removal tool, and you want to come down here and pop off your little silver trim. It's held in by some small little pressure clips, so you just pull that up. Next, you want to open up the glove box. Once we open up the glove box, take that same panel removal tool, and you want to start popping up on that deal right there. Stick it in, see if y'all can get it good. Boom. That's gonna get us this piece. Good thing that there's no harnesses. If we maneuver a little bit, you don't even have to take it up. And right there, I think we have two 7 mils at the bottom. So let's just go ahead and take those out real quick. One on this side. We're gonna take our panel removal tool again and then come right here in the corner and see if there's any clips that need to just pop out or whatever the case is. Seems like it's pretty loose. Just go ahead and use that right here. Pop that out. Boom. And then look at there. Looks like somebody tried to do this already. So we have 4. Supposed to be 4 7 mils, 2 on the left, 2 on the right. This thing is really jacked. Let me take these out. That's literally it, man. 3 harnesses and an antenna later, and we have that radio out. Now I'm just literally gonna do the exact same thing to put this thing in, and honestly, man, that's it. I showed y'all how to take it out. I'm just gonna put this factory back in, literally swap it. If you guys found any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share content, all of that good stuff, man. Until next time, it's your boy JP signing out. Peace.